Hello and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here. Today we're making an all-time favorite, the most popular dish in the Chinese takeaway. It's chicken curry. For this recipe, very few ingredients are needed. All we need is chicken, onions, frozen peas, some salt, some sugar, some MSG. But what we need for this dish to create it to taste as authentic as your Chinese takeaway is real Chinese takeaway curry paste. And here we have a full pot of real authentic Chinese takeaway curry paste which we showed you how to cook yesterday. If you want to recreate any Chinese takeaway curry dish at home, beef curry, chicken curry, pork curry, king prawn curry, you are going to need this curry paste recipe. There's a link appearing on the top of your screen just now. Starting off with a breast of chicken, slice it in half and turn it around and slice it into smaller pieces just like this. Repeat the same process with the other half of the chicken fillet and that's that done. Take an onion, slice it in half. We want to make some onion wedges, nice, chunky and crispy, perfect with every chicken curry. Break up your onion wedges, it's easier to cook them this way. If you don't like onions, which most people don't in the Chinese takeaway, leave them out of this recipe. Turn on the heat, add in enough cold water. We're going to just blanch the chicken. Put the chicken into the wok, bring the water back to the boil. Once the water comes back to the boil, you need to cook this chicken for 2.5–3 minutes at most, depending on how thick you have cut your chicken slices. Some people like chicken more chunky. 3 minutes, blanch them just to be safe because they're going back into the curry anyway, and we will further cook them for an extra minute. Drain your chicken out, put it into a bowl. Then we're going to wash out the wok, give it a quick rinse, add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, give that a swirl around the bottom of the wok or pan or whatever you're using. Allow the oil in your wok or pan to heat up for 2 minutes before you put in your onions. We always like to heat it up well. We like that sizzle when the onions go into the pan. Take a spoonful of the curry paste, which you should now have learnt how to make. When you start using this curry paste, you'll realise that it's very sticky. You're going to have to use something to slide it off the spoon. Spread the curry paste around and coat the onions. Next, we're going in with the chicken that you've blanched and prepared earlier. Give the chicken a good mix through the curry paste and the onions. Mix that all together. Your house should start smelling like a Chinese takeaway now. Even if you haven't been on a Chinese takeaway before, you know the smell from walking past. 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 a teaspoon of sugar and 1/2 a tablespoon of MSG. Into that we're adding chicken stock. This is about 330 mils, and give that a good stir together. It'll all start coming together. Because the curry paste is made with flour and oil, this will thicken it up automatically. In with your frozen peas, and this is going to all come together in seconds. Cook this for a further 2 minutes, and there you have it. Real Chinese takeaway chicken curry. If you like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow again. Chicken curry. Lovely jobbly.